Hi, I'm Laura Ann. I'm a mum of two little boys from Belfast, Northern Ireland. You will usually find me over at Instagram, All That's Pretty. I will link it below. This is my first YouTube upload. I'm going to do some Halloween crafting to make some decorations. So most of the products are from Hobbycraft. I've got some black pipe cleaners, lots of these black pom-poms. So I'm going to make spiders out of those with little googly eyes, and I've got some invisible thread then to tie that up. I'm going to put them on this chandelier in the kitchen. So I'm going to focus on the spiders, and then for the boys to decorate, I've got this plain bunting from Hobbycraft as well. So it's cardboard and it comes with string to hang it up, so it's really easy, and all you really need to do is colour it in and decorate it. So I've got some paints for them, glitter, and then lots of these wee Halloween shapes as well, because their drawing is not the best. I've linked all these items below, but glue gun, pipe cleaners, eyes, pom-poms and your invisible thread. You start off with two of the pipe cleaners and you tie them together, wrap them just around each other, and that gives you 4 legs. So you just need to do the same again to get 8 legs. For the sake of Halloween, I'll add some spooky music while I do this. Next up, you get your pom-pom and your glue gun. So wait for your glue gun to heat up and then pop a bit of glue on the top and stick the legs on. Be careful, it is really, really warm. It will be a bit stringy, but you can just cut off those little bits at the end once it dries. Once the legs are dry, you get the glue gun out again and get your googly eyes. So you just pop it on the back of the eyes and then stick it on the front of the spider. And then you just got to make some more, depending on where you want them. You can hang them from bunting or from your light, or you can just have them sitting as a decoration. I decided to make 7 in total just because our chandelier is quite big, but it's completely up to you. And then just hang them up. I just took a while to fix all the legs because they can get a little bit tangled up between each other. And then cut off all those little extra stringy bits from the glue gun. They can look a bit like a web, but I think they're a little messy, so I've just cut most of them off. When I did hang these up on my light, I realised that they don't really stay in one position, so I decided to add in some extra eyes so that when they turn around, they look like spiders from both angles. I got the good old glue gun back out again and added a few more eyes to the back of the spiders so that they look like spiders from all angles. And now we're going to start doing the bunting. A funny feeling this is going to get pretty messy, but here it goes. For this part, I moved my good rug out of the way and put lots of newspaper down because no matter what you do, it gets so messy. This craft bunting is so good for all times of year, so it's completely plain. It comes in all the little pre-cut triangles and then with a pack of strings. So after you have finished decorating and it's dried, you can hang it up. So we just got busy. There was no real rules and put as many accessories on as possible. And again, I've linked most of the items below, including the bunting and as many of the little craft shapes and glitter as I could. Then just leave it out to dry, and once it is, you use the string that comes with the pack and then hang it up. And there we have it, our Halloween decorations. Listen, they're nothing fancy, but Bertie's so pleased that he has made this bunting himself, and the spiders were so easy and cheap to do as well. Again, all the products I have linked below where I can. Happy Halloween, guys!